Brit family, they never know, so Brit didn't want to go to hospital. All these years of Brit acting up, acting outside of her character, them never know, so she want to go to hospital. But as Zozo bring her go to hospital, them swoop in and take over and ban the youth, restrict the youth from seeing Brit. Oh, no wicked and evil, so. I hears now we watch Brit on the app. Here's now we watch Brit on the app and we never see one of them. We never see none of them show Brit no little love. No sister, no brother, no auntie, no mother, no father, no uncle. No cousin, nobody. We have never seen a family member for Brit. It was just Brit and her team winners. Despite everything that Brit is going through right now, and Purse was saying that Zozo take up mad woman. Eh? Zozo take up to the plate. Zozo no scan Brit. Zozo no scan Brit. How much young man uno see in our community we are going to take up a girl that is said to be of unsound mind. Put her in her lap when she dirty, bring her to the hospital if you go get treatment. We never see her yet. Me never see no comb Brit here, no cousin, no auntie, no sister, no mother. Me never see no shirt they could dinner give her. It was just always Brit by herself. No, but as soon as you see Zozo, somebody will care about Brit, step in. You know, run in because guess what? You guys fear Brit will get better. So now try to do everything to keep away Zozo from Brit. Because you know what best for Brit, you know. You don't want Brit to get better, you know. Because remember say you see him and a wall her down. You see him and a wall her down. And you see me blame the hospital staff as well because you never did see no family care Brit come there. You never see no family care Brit come at the hospital. A Brit boyfriend bring her to the hospital. So how now you not going to restrict the boyfriend from seeing Brit? How is it you not going to restrict the person who bring Brit to the hospital from seeing her? I don't understand. Hey, you see in this life you have some evil, wicked people, you know. You have some evil, wicked people. And a whole heap of uno upon the app, uno disrespect Zozo, uno talk a bag of things about him. Uno call him ugly, uno say him a look clout. Listen man, beauty lies upon the inside, not upon the outside. Me ever tell you that. Because some of you pretty upon the outside, but you know the devil upon the inside. It is clear that this youth mean Brit nothing but the best. The youth no shame a Brit. Him no shame for saying love Brit. Despite when peers I go say. And despite when colleagues them when always a play a match with I go say. You know say him a look clout. Well if this is the clout when I look it is a good clout. Because we see what he's doing. Them say action speak louder than words and we are seeing action. We are see the work when I put in. So I don't know where my family come from, where them appear from. Eh? Where them appear from out of the blues. I restrict the youth from seeing Brit. Jaja Star. And you know, sometimes I listen to someone talk, me have to wonder if you know a human being. Me don't know I say if Brit did in her right mind, she wanna look at Zozo. Because you know a project on herself and Brit. You know a project on herself and Brit because you know you guys are so vain. You guys are so vain. A material and appearance matter to you know. So you feel to see the good inside somebody Because to no, they are not appealing. They're not appealing to no eyes. So no blind. You understand? That's why someone will get what they don't get in a life. That's why someone will get what they don't get in a life. Yeah, because I feel this is the good we're inside of somebody. Zozo is a good youth. Is a good youth towards Brit, that is. We see his intention. And if I clout him a look, nothing wrong with that neither, because a whole heap of uno can get on a clout off a Brit. Whole heap of uno can get on a clout off a Brit. I want to sit down on a live morning, noon and night. I want to see Brit go through her depression. I want to never say, let me take up my phone and call Brit. Someone who live at Jamaica. Jamaica not that big. That's when you can't take bus from wherever you live and go look for Brit. I have never seen it. No, I want to take bus or drive in a car go look for Brit. But you come on the app and you pretend like you love her. And somehow you pretend like you was in relationship with her. Yeah. All them gold guard. Them, we never know what their name. One whole heap of uno, whole heap of artist, whole heap of influencer. Eh? I want to see Brit in depression. I want to never go look for her. Never. But now that those who decide to take up Brit in their hand and seek help for Brit, we now will call the family and tell the family to restrict him from seeing Brit. What family? Which family, by the way? Which family, by the way, wanna come from? Nobody never saw you yet. Nobody no know uno. Nobody on the app no know uno. The only thing you do is bring mischief in a Brit life and a fight her off your house. Every day we hear she a cuss and a son we stop beat down her door. You understand? Me know say she love her family because she always talk how she love her family. She say even though they treat her bad, she love them. We know that she love her family, but you guys have never been there for her, not once. So all of a sudden, no one didn't know. All of a sudden, because Zozo is there, on comfort. On evil, on wicked. On one person who really and truly care about Brit, which is Zozo. On ban him from seeing Brit in the hospital. I want to claim so I love Brit. But remember, the media no fool. The media knows say uno no love Brit none at all. The media knows say uno don't want Brit to get better. You understand? Cha. But also, this is my advice to you. Just hold up your head, my brother. Yeah, man. Hold up your head. And keep on doing what you're doing for Brit. Despite the fight against, don't give up on her. Don't give up on her, because remember we know a bit of our own mind, you know, and then can't program her. So just go and hold the faith and go and do what you do. Yeah, man. Go and do what you do. You stay the hospital, take the food. Go and do what you do. Yeah, man. God will bless you. God will bless you. You are chosen and you are blessed.
The Scoop.